For centuries, humans have looked up at the night sky, feeling both awe and fear. The stars appear calm, silent, and eternal. Yet, hidden within that silence may be civilizations far older and more advanced than our own. Each point of light is a sun, potentially with planets, possibly hosting life. For generations, we imagined, speculated, and wondered. But in the 20th century, science gave us a chance to go beyond imagination, not by sending messages into space, but by listening for something intelligent, deliberate, and possibly reaching out. One of the most ambitious efforts to hear the universe was the search for extraterrestrial intelligence, or SETI. By the 1970s, this program had established numerous listening stations around the world, one of the most important being the Big Ear radio telescope in Ohio, USA. Big Ear was not the sleek, futuristic dish people imagine. It was a massive metal structure designed to scan the sky as the Earth rotated. It did not move. The planet itself did the scanning. Big Ear's mission was simple but monumental. Convert the faint radio waves from the cosmos into printed data that humans could analyze. For years, the telescope collected mountains of data. Every page printed contained endless streams of numbers and letters. Most of it was ordinary noise, background radiation from stars, galaxies, and distant cosmic phenomena. Occasionally, there were unusual blips, but nothing persistent, nothing extraordinary. Most of the time, the work was tedious, monotonous, and filled with anticipation rather than discovery. Then, on the night of August 15th, 1977, everything changed. At approximately 10:16 p.m., as Big Ear scanned the sky in the direction of the constellation Sagittarius, a signal appeared. At first, it seemed ordinary, but then it grew stronger. It climbed sharply, reached a peak, and then vanished. 72 seconds. Then silence. The telescope continued its automated scan, but the signal never returned. Days later, astronomer Jerry Emmon was reviewing the printed data. He noticed a sequence of letters and numbers that immediately caught his eye, 6EQJ5. Each character represented the intensity of the signal over time. The sequence rose to a peak higher than anything previously recorded. Without thinking, he circled it in red ink and wrote a single word beside it. Wow! That one exclamation captured the astonishment and mystery of the moment. The wow signal was born. What made the signal extraordinary was not just its strength, but its frequency, 1,420 megahertz, known as the hydrogen line. Hydrogen is the most abundant element in the universe, and scientists have long theorized that an intelligent civilization might choose this frequency for communication. It is, in a sense, universal, a natural channel for anyone listening. The signal was clean, strong, and unlike anything known from natural sources or Earth-based interference. It appeared focused, deliberate, and precise. Everything about it suggested intelligence. The scientific community reacted cautiously but with excitement. Extraordinary claims demand extraordinary evidence. Could this truly be a message from beyond our world? Scientists immediately attempted to observe the same region of space, using Big Ear and other telescopes. They scanned, analyzed, and rescanned. Days turned to weeks, weeks to months. Yet, the signal never returned. Its absence deepened the mystery. If it were natural, why did it occur only once? If it were human-made, why was it so perfectly aligned with a distant part of the sky? If it was extraterrestrial, why would the transmission happen just a single time? Over the years, numerous theories emerged. Some proposed that a passing comet, with clouds of hydrogen surrounding it, could produce a signal. However, observations indicated that no comet was present in that part of the sky at that exact time. Others suggested Earth-based interference, or even secret military equipment. But the frequency, strength, and duration of the signal did not match any known source. Scientists could not explain it. The signal remained an enigma. The wow signal represents a unique moment in human history, a fleeting, singular event that suggested the possibility of intelligence beyond our planet. It challenges our assumptions about the universe and our place within it. Could it have been a cosmic beacon, a test signal from a distant civilization, checking to see if someone was listening? Or perhaps an advanced probe, transmitting brief bursts of energy as it passed through our part of the galaxy? If so, humanity overheard something meant for someone else, and we may never hear it again. This fleeting event also underscores the vastness of space. The odds of detecting such a signal are staggeringly small. Civilizations may exist for only a brief moment in cosmic time. The universe is enormous, and the window to observe or receive such communications is tiny. The wow signal may have been the brief echo of a civilization that no longer exists, or it could be the prelude to one that has yet to fully reach out to the stars. Even decades later, the wow signal remains unparalleled. No telescope, no matter how advanced, has ever recorded a similar transmission from that region of the sky. Its singular nature makes it both exciting and haunting. Scientists continue to study it, attempting to understand every possible explanation, yet none fully satisfies. It is a signal that exists only as evidence on paper and in the memory of those who witnessed it. Beyond the scientific implications, the wow signal carries philosophical weight. It reminds us of the fragility of life, the fleetingness of civilizations, and the silent vastness of the cosmos. For 72 seconds, humans were listening and something reached out to us. But the universe, vast and inscrutable, did not repeat itself. It left only a question. Were we meant to hear it? Was it a greeting, a warning, or merely a test? No one knows. The wow signal also reflects human curiosity and persistence. Jerry Emmon and countless scientists who followed were driven by wonder, by the need to understand. The signal may never return, but it continues to inspire research, imagination, and exploration. It challenges us to improve our technology, to scan deeper, to listen longer, and to ask better questions about our place in the universe. Today, modern telescopes sweep the skies with incredible precision, and yet the wow signal remains unmatched. Its legacy is not just a fleeting signal. It is a testament to the enduring human desire to seek, to question, and to reach beyond ourselves. It is a reminder that the universe is not just a backdrop for our existence, but a participant in it, capable of surprising us in ways we can barely comprehend. In the end, the wow signal is more than data. It is a story, a mystery, and perhaps a message. Whether it is a greeting, a cosmic test, or simply a random anomaly, it has become an emblem of the unknown. Humanity listened once, and in those 72 seconds, the universe whispered a possibility that forever changed the way we imagine life beyond our world. The silence that followed is as important as the signal itself. It reminds us that the universe is patient, vast, and indifferent, yet filled with possibilities. The wow signal teaches us to keep listening, to stay curious, and to never stop wondering. Somewhere, perhaps someone is listening too, and one day, the universe may speak again. Will we hear it?